First real trade in FTMO challenge. Here we go. So in this new challenge, we are on this new trade, we are already cooking. Why do I say first real trade? Because we had one and it was fully emotional, really. It was only emotions and it was really bad. And yeah, this is the actual first of my challenge, not the first challenge, but my first of this challenge. And I have to say, bro, I'm a little bit nervous, right? Why? Because well, first it's going my way, but I'm not sure it's going to go fully my way. Obviously, like until here, but obviously maybe it's going to reverse now. Let me look at euro. Yeah, maybe actually. We never know, right? And second, because as you can see here, we have a tight little stop loss, and that means a tight little cheeks, right? Tight little butt cheeks right now, not little, but tight. And oh my days. And yeah, that means we have to be careful with the spread in FTMO, because those are little bit cheeky too, right? And yeah, so obviously the stop loss is like that, but because I'm risking 2%, I try to move it a little bit upward just to, you know, give give a little bit of room to the spread, more room to the spreads. Um, right now it's going down though, so that's good. Um, we start to get rejection at 9, more or less. No, just before 9. Almost a break here. I don't think I would have entered that because I don't know, just doesn't give me a lot of confidence. But yeah, breaks here. Obviously, I do not enter here. I wait a little bit, goes higher. I buy because intuition. I sell. Sorry, intuition. Wants to fill this order block to just go lower. I like pretty much. I really like my enterprise. Because it's actually like that, bro. Something like that. So I like it very much. Obviously the stop loss is a little bit higher, so um, for the risk reward is not ideal. Oh shoot. Oh damn. Risk reward is not, ideal, but I don't care about this. It's all right. And yeah, all right. It's going up now, which I don't like. It has, yeah, this rejection. All right, so good. It's all good. So that was expected, to have, to start having rejection at here, and all of this zone. So I'll probably do is, um, I will, well, as soon as it starts to have a really, really a lot of rejection, um, I'll put the scaling point there, right? All right, never mind. Never mind, it's just going lower now. But you know what I mean. If it starts, having goes lower, then start to chop up, maybe I put the scaling point here. So as soon as it breaks, I mean, we're sure that if it breaks that, it's going lower, right? That's a bit the idea. Um, so yeah, for now, I'm still not confident, but I have entered. I just have to wait now. So let me have breakfast. Let me eat, bro. Let me eat. And I will see you guys. How are we right now? Already almost 1% up. So that's good. Really changes when you're risking 2% and when you're risking one. Like, bro, it's mental the difference. It goes so quick either side. Um, so yeah. Anyways, let me eat and I'll come back in a few minutes. Well, for you, it will be like right now, right? So yeah. Let me pause that and bye. All right, boys. So I finished eating. I have my little banana to keep me company. I'm a little bit nervous, bro. 20 minutes have gone by. Let's see. Fuck. All right, good. Good, 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 good. It's cooking, it's cooking. I love that. All right, that's good. Um, so we should put the scaling point here, you're saying. Yeah, it's negative risk reward. So, oh, slightly positive. Yeah, more or less. All right, it's still good though, because if the risk reward isn't, is negative, then it's just not worth it, right? All right, that's good then. Fuck. Let me. Oh, shit. The fuck. Damn, bro. Is the video? All right. All right. Okay, that's good. Scaling point there. All right, it's cooking. It's cooking. Let me see that. 159 today's profit and realized P&L. Almost back at break even. And I guess, man, I don't know why, but I'm spitting, bro. Like I can see some things just. All right, maybe not. Um, all right, so scaling point here. Because well, you can see that's a big resistance, right? Mm, hopefully, bro, it goes a little bit higher. It takes out, just goes up until here and rebounces and boom. And now we're sure, right? But yeah, let me put the scaling point there. So such a shame that the week is so long, right? Because but yeah, because he wanted to rush to touch this order block and just bounce off of it. Because before, let me look. Yeah, it didn't. All right, that is actually maybe not the best sign. That maybe means because when it crashes and then as soon as it hits, it kind of reverse. That's actually not a good sign. Um, it's not even how the candle looks. It's really mostly this that bothers me a bit. But yeah, let's be careful with that. I mean, let's be careful. It's not that. It's not if I could control something. Yeah, now it's going upwards. Hmm. I mean, I had the idea of putting, not going to lie, had the idea of putting my TP like here or, at the top of the wicks here somewhere, you know. Let me see. Oh, yeah, barely. Yeah, it wouldn't. FTMO have, uh, wouldn't have, you know, let me go out, because of the spread, basically. So, but yeah, that was one of my ideas because I don't know. I see this. I think it's going to go up. I mean, not that I think it's going to go up, but you know what I mean. It might be a reversal point, right? Now seeing this, it's almost even more, right? But it's okay. It's all right. Let's see if it hits, if it goes below here. Still confident. There's no reason why it shouldn't work. We're still making uh, good money. Obviously, if it reversed now, we would be cooked. We would be -4. It's all right. It's all right. This, if I lose this one, I don't care because I think it's a good trade. The first one though, I really did because yeah, it wasn't a good trade. So yeah, I will pause this again and we will see each other in a few minutes if I trigger the scaling point, my answer basically, or if I lose, or if I win, obviously, if there's no scaling point, right? So yeah, see you in a few minutes. All right, so nothing happened yet, but just wanted a quick thing, bro. And I'm actually sad because, bro, I this doesn't look good. I think it's going to reverse, hits here and then just goes higher. And I'm a bit sad, bro, because for me it was a good trade. Obviously, let's see how it plays out. But for now, man, well, it was a good trade. At least I respected my plan, right? I mean, right now you might be saying, bro, why is this guy talking? You're still profit. You're still, yeah, but I saw a lot of times that, it just rebounces. Um, so yeah, let's pause this again. And now I will tell you, but probably it will be somewhere here, bro. Unfortunately. But yeah, let's pause this and hopefully. Oh, you couldn't see. All right. Sorry. So yeah, as I was saying, sorry about that. So yeah, as I was saying, you look at this and it's clearly going up. I was talking to you when the candle, this one didn't even existed. Now it does, and well, it's just going higher, right? And when I see this, yeah, I've seen a lot of times that it just rebounces. Obviously, as I said before, I'm still a lot in profit and everything good happened. But realistically, I think that or it reverses now, or yeah, all right. All right, I have my answers. So yeah, hopefully, I mean, I know where it's going to be next time we see each other. But yeah, it was a good trade. At least I respected my plan. And let's see first. All right, boys. So we are back at break even. Um, we knew it. We I was talking about this candle. Last time was this one. I saw that or you reverse or will surely get cooked. It reversed and yeah, now it's just terrible because I know I'm going to get banged and I just cannot get out, right? Yeah, I'm already, yeah, stop loss has been. So yeah, stop loss has been hidden. What the fuck? What? Oh my days, bro. Um, and realize profit, bro. What are you talking about, bro? So right now I'm out. Oh, gee, this is lagging, bro. Something happened with FTMO. Um, and I had my TP. I had my st I had my stop loss at 200. Because of this big sweep, I got um 219, and yeah, because of the charges, and now it's going lower, bro. I mean, what the fuck, bro? Literally, there's no words for this, bro. What happened, bro? There's literally no news. There's literally no news, bro. Only yellow, bro. And yeah, I'm actually really sad right now. Bro, I had my stop loss at 180 and he took me out at 220. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me, bro? And now, well, obviously it's going lower because, it has sweep all of this. Well, I'm going to quit this video and I mean, what's the point, bro? Anyways, see you guys on the next one. What an awful end to this video, bro.